I'm marinating this chicken breast, Cuban style mojo. So I have this garlic right now, and I shred that thing already. I did it with my hands, like pulling chicken breast, and now I'm going just to do a good mojo. I add in lime juice here. See, more. I add this already in this other part, but I'm adding a little more. Not too much. It's 2 big breasts that I'm doing for me and my son. And I'm gonna just add the garlic. I'm gonna use powdered onion now for that. I'm gonna use this one, doesn't have a much. See? That's what I'm going to use right now on the chicken. See? I'm gonna use this powdered onion. I'm gonna start cooking this. And this garlic. I'm gonna add the garlic first, then I do the onion. I think this garlic is already enough for all this chicken here. More onion, powder, the garlic that I put it already. More onion right now. And I'm going to add some salt. I think the onion is enough. It's a lot of chicken. It doesn't need too much of that. It's a lot of chicken, but that's it. I'm going to put this garlic back. One moment. I'm going to put it in a fried pan now soon and start cooking the chicken now. See? I got a fried pan already that I'm going to use to do this chicken. I'm going to add some salt. I forgot the salt. I didn't add salt yet. I'm going to put an oil there. It's going to become very good. Cuban style chicken. Cuban chicken. Chicken. Chicken already. It's gonna come very good. I was looking for putting back the season. I'm gonna put this oil here so they can cook. Sorry. The oil here.